All right, that's a job well done if I do say so myself. There is a little bit that was not able to get off, but I put like a good 2 to 3 minutes of water on some of it. It didn't move, so this won't take it off. Not like that, at least. Now, I just want to show real fast. This is just that little ryobi. See? Nothing crazy. Well, a lot of people look for something that can clean driveways. So I just want to show you. This thing is absolutely capable. So yeah, while it may take you all day, you absolutely could clean a driveway with this thing. This is it dried of kind of before and after. This right here is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like after. And so you could absolutely clean a small driveway with this. I was able to do this in under 2 hours. And it looked pretty disgusting before. So this could also clean cars. It has more than just one nozzle, so it's more than capable. It's a good little pressure washer. For $100, I can't complain. As long as it lasts a decent while, it was a good investment. I wouldn't go out there and try and start a big, huge pressure washing company, but I'd actually feel comfortable taking this out to do some small pressure washing jobs if I just needed some quick money and I had this lying around and I just need to make money. I would take this thing out and do some jobs.